The ball. Oscar, go get a ball. Come on, let's go get a ball. Rudy, come get the ball. Come on, let's get. Oh! Yay, Hi, Bern. Cody, you had a ball. There goes Missy. Missy got. Ooh, Oscar, get it, Oscar. Good job, buddy. Hi. You guys waiting out in center field? You're waiting for a ball to come flying, aren't you? Get that ball. Who's got that ball? Annabelle. Yeah? Cody. What do you think, Magic? Huh? Kirby, there's no humping in daycare. I know she's very pretty. Colby is a very pretty girl. Yeah, I know. You're going to follow her around like a lovesick puppy all day, huh? Yeah. There you go. Got players over there. What do you think, Texas? Where'd it go? Get this. Hi, Maddie. Get it. Oh, Penny got it. No, Oscar got it. All right. There goes Bernie and Bern. What do you think, Micah? Micah. Hi, babies. Huh? Micah and Magic. Hi. Yeah. All right. There goes Rocco with a ball.